My homemade simple pickles, green and red chilies, garlics, lemon, and ginger with vinegar and salt. So this is served as an appetizer, and this is already ready to eat after one day I make it. Yeah. I have lots of green chilies, but this we buy from bazaar, but this native garlics is for us. So what I will do for this one is I have to half boil these green chilies, and also together with native garlics. You can make also pickles fresh, but for my version, I have to make half boil first. So we have to put now. I already washed this one. Yan. I uh, just only half boil, and then I will put also lemon. And then this one I have uh, stock of green chilies and tomatoes. This already from bazaar because our cherry tomatoes is already finished out of season now, so we are buying now tomatoes. And this one, you see, we have lots of stock of native garlics, and we have more there down. Yan o, ito yung binalatan ko. So ito yung ano, ipipickles ko. Wait natin maging ano, kumulo itong tubig din, half boil lang. And then wait natin ito maging malamig, and then I will put in jar, small bottle na ano babasagin. So wait natin hanggang kumulo. So it's already boiling. So 1 minute we have to boil more. Then we have to turn off the flame. And I will add also slices of ginger. So I think this is already half boiled. Now we have to turn off now the flame. And then we have to remove this one and make it cold. Then when it become cold, then I have to put in bottle. Ayan. I will remove now this green chilies and garlics here. Already cold this green chilies and garlics. Now we can put now here in jar. This is a bottle of coffee. So na yung cover na yan. So now we can arrange this one like this. Arrange natin para magkasya, so it will be enough. Arrange natin. And this one can be ready to eat after 1 hour. Because this is already half boiled. Just put vinegar and salt. Easy to make pickles. But I will not eat this green chilies because this is chilies, I think. Just only I eat this garlics and ginger. My husband, he like this one because, you know, they like spicy hair. Carrots, you can make also pickles, but still I did not tell Fahad to buy pickles. Carrots. Season now of carrots by this time. Now we arrange natin para ano, maganda yung pagkasiksik. Now, next itong ginger. Ay, pwede din itong ginger. Kasi hindi ko ito pinakboil. Pero masarap ang ginger, di ba, na kainin na fresh. Ayan. Ayan, lagay natin yung lemon sa taas. And then, we can put now salt. 1 teaspoon salt. So, ayan. So, now we can put now this vinegar. So, enough. Ganyan-ganyan natin. Para ma-mix yung salt. Ayan. Oh, so, this is already pickles. Homemade pickles. Simple pickles. I will make only garlic pickles. But next time I will make. Because I have still too much pickles. Sorry, garlics, native garlics. So, ayan, after 1 hour, this already ready to eat. So, tamang-tama for lunch. Maya konti after 2 hours, makain na ito nila Kay. Then, I will taste also. Ayan.